Hi, I'm Zhihao, a PhD student of mechanical engineering. Today's presentation is about a wearable multi-sensor system designed for occupational health and safety, especially for lung disease. It concerns three disciplines: mechanical engineering and electrical engineering, plus medical and healthcare, plus machine learning. First, design and manufacture a wearable device. It consists of different sensors as capable of real-time monitoring. Second, biomarker and criterion references. Ideally, medical insights should be the essential basis when drawing any conclusion. The experiment design also requires clinical guidance to make sure it's representative and persuasive. Decision-making is where I find features from the detection of sensors and combine these sensors to form an assessment result, with the help of machine learning, of course. In one word, the aim is to digitalize health condition assessment in workplaces, especially for lungs. The first figure shows how it looks now. In the middle is a list of components, including thermist for breath rate, microphone for breath sound, PVG for heart rate and SpO2, accelerometer for activity intensity. The other figure is a suggested layout. The main board is worn by a head strap, while the rest is mounted to a face covering. This is a figure of dashboard in Arduino Cloud. This one is Blink. Both have mobile apps. Currently, I'm looking for improvement on this device, make it more stable and reliable, especially if the PVG sensor is easily affected by the ambient light and the pressure on it. And it must adhere closely and stably to the skin during movement. Sampling rate of the microphone is another problem. For now, the highest frequency I can get is 200 Hz, which means 200 data points per second. It's a huge gap compared to the commonly used 44 kHz. How to increase the sampling rate? Is this a question to ask? Well, let's see. Medical and healthcare plays an important role throughout the whole project. In the beginning, it helps select physical indexes for monitoring. It is also the basis of assessment and experiment design. Initially, I'd like to ask participants to take the incremental shuttle walk test, ISWT, wearing the mentioned device, and see if the measurement results can be linked to the work scale. Hopefully, some thresholds or intervals can be found, and certain patterns can be recognized. The question in this part is which medical and healthcare assessment method is suitable for digitalization. Another challenging part is dealing with data. Here are more than 5 inputs. Respiration rate is calculated by recording temperature changes caused by breath. Breath sounds would be used to identify coughs and wheezes, but require much higher sampling frequency. On the left, there's how spectrogram looks with the sampling rate of the device with reduced window length of 32. On the right is how it looks on the 44 kHz with regular window length of 1024. In related research, it has been found that heart rate and SpO2 are related to exertion levels using Berg scales, and activity intensity can be calculated from acceleration in 3 axes. I'm hoping to use these inputs to generate some evaluation of risks, assessment of health conditions, or medical insights. So breath sound is just one of many inputs. For the rest, the current sampling rate works just fine. So the focus should be put on extracting features from these different inputs and combining them for a value, like a score. But how? Thanks for your listening. If you have any thoughts or questions, don't hesitate to ask or email me. We'll be recruiting participants after our ethics application gets approved.